So Caitlin's gonna help Daddy push Becky in. Pushing Becky. Wow, you're so strong.
He's super wet.
Yeah, okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. All right. All right, let's go around. Let's go around, KK. All right. You're gonna push it back? All by yourself? You pushing Becky all by yourself? Going on, guys? So I just prepared Becky for Sammy. He's on his way, should be here any minute now. Cleared everything out for him. The brake booster, lathe cylinder, the master cylinder, all that stuff. And then, you know, I have to mask off all these holes because he's going to prime the whole firewall and do some body work. Yep, all that. All this is gonna get painted. All of this. You know, little fixing here and there, little touch ups. Pretty much there. It's almost done. So we're waiting for Sammy to get here. Lex is out there. Yo, so here we have Sammy in the house. Right here putting in work.
Good, yo.
Yes, sir. Becky, 2019 or 20? 2020. Let's take
I wanted to come out
you see?
and the whole engine bay, the same thing we did yesterday.
Like that, right?
Yeah, like that.
Nice.
We're gonna go down. We're gonna do more. So when you said, hey, remember how we did my car? We did with the square. Actually, that's this video. Let's show you.
All right, guys. So right now we are choosing the colors for the new interior. Here we have Ramon. Ramon's gonna be doing my seats. We're going for the guys. So I have sold my 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤𝐞 exhaust. Reason I sold it was because I want to do something else for this year. Sold it to my good friend Asif. I'm just taking it off, and yeah, it's gonna go to a new home. So let's see. I'm sure gonna miss her. All right, so this was going on, guys. So this subframe is from the CL7, aka Honda Accord Euro R. They come with a 4-cylinder motor, the K series. Therefore, the subframe mounts is for a K series. K series, right? I have a J series motor. I would like to rock out my J series, but the location of the motor mounts is different. So I started contacting all these guys, all these JDM people here in the US, the guys that get parts from Japan, and they can get this part for the simple fact that this is not a common car. I need a UC1 subframe, which comes V6. So that's a big problem. So I contacted so many people. Nobody could get me this clip. It's not worth it. Everybody keep, pointing fingers. Oh, go that way, go this way, and nobody wants to get me the subframe. So I started analyzing and looking around. I'm like, okay, so what are my options? I could either do some custom welding to relocate the motor mounts, but then I thought about it. I don't want to deal with all that stuff. Then I thought about, okay, so how about bringing in the USDM subframe and making custom brackets for the rack? That seems more doable, actually, for the simple fact that it's the same exact thing, but the opposite. All I gotta do is drill out all these brackets. See this bracket? That and that. Take those things out from the subframe and bring it to the USDM subframe. So I gotta do the same thing over here. I gotta take this bracket out, take this out, take this out, and put the JDM one. So I get to use my USDM subframe with the JDM rack, which is this one. This is the US. This is the JDM. So problem solved. It took me 2 weeks to figure that out. Unfortunately, I didn't thought about this option, but it's doable, because it's like the same shape. You see this lump? Got that same lump on this side. You see this this hole? That hole is over here too. So everything is symmetrical. So it's possible. So it's great. So all I gotta do is swap all these things over and that's it. So yeah. Tomorrow Sammy's gonna come through. He's gonna finish the firewall. He's gonna finish the complete bay. Hopefully he will need just one more day to complete this so that can continue and finish my the other stuff, because I have a long way to go. Maybe I'll make him paint. I'm not sure, but after this is paint. He's gonna do the whole undercoating down there, undercoating in there, and yeah, that's what he's gonna do. So as soon as he finish, then I have to figure out paint. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, so this is what's going on, guys. So here we have Becky. Becky's on 4 jack stands, and I'm prepping the whole car, getting it ready for Sammy so he can come and do his thing. But while he does that, I have to take down the subframe, because I have figured out a way to swap out the subframe using the original USDM subframe, but attaching the JDM rack. So I have to take this down, so like that I could put in work on that. At the same time, Sammy will have the space to do whatever he got to do. Yep. Look, you see? No. You see it's coming down. All right, so got the subframe out. Wasn't too bad, easy, with the help of a couple of jacks. Now, Sammy got all the space in the world to finally finish the bay. Okay. Oh wow, so nice. Let me see what you guys was doing.
No, this is mine.
Oh, okay. Good job, girls. So yeah, so